Like the other printed management forms, access the list by clicking the Printed Forms button. At the right side of the screen are 6 options. Click the second one, List Format. Check the cells that you'd like to print along with each student's name, and then click the Print List button. If there isn't enough space, MarkBook will warn you. And here's a trick. Click OK. Click Back. In the upper menu bar, click Setup and select Printer Options, the bottom item. Click. Check the button that says Show Printer dialog box and click Save. Come back to Printed Forms, select List Format, Print List. This time MarkBook will show you a printer dialog box. You can select any connected printer, and you can also select either portrait or landscape format. I'm going to select landscape and hit print, and this form will come out of your printer with your students alphabetized down the left side and the selected fields in columns in the center. Use this form for a variety of purposes. For instance, if you were taking the class on a field trip, it might be useful to print the names and emergency telephone numbers. If you had collected a series of email addresses and wanted to get those entered into your student information system, print this list with the parent and student email addresses, hand it to your SIS secretary, and the secretary can enter that data into the student information system.